Hi, today we are going to transform map elements to another map in Java 9. So basically we know that how we can transform one map elements to another map using simple entry. But in a Java 9, one static method is introduced in a map. So now let's we transform using a map.entry. Now we can using a stream inside the map, and we can collect a collector to map. Entry dot get key and entry dot get value. Now inside the map on entry and map entry is a static method inside the map, and entry get key. And integer parse can remove. Now we can run this program. We can check successfully transform data or not. Now data is all elements of map is transformed to another map using a map.entry static method, which is introduced in a Java 9. So this way we can transform one map element to another map using different generic.